add and put them on Marketplace. Ain't nobody gonna use them. Those old rocket tags.
Can we put those in the shed?
Yeah, but what about your garden stuff? Would you rather have it in here?
It don't matter. Is anything gonna freeze and ruin it?
Ain't no different out there than it is here.
Okay. Let's do something so I can play with my baby.
Well, do that.
What's up there? Is anything up here?
I'll do a few things. Just TV stuff, all kinds of hangers. If there's more jars, we probably will keep jars in the garage or in here. I'm not sure what's on the bottom.
I just want some nails out there so I can hang some stuff.
I think that's the girl stuff down there on the bottom.
Like tampons?
No.
What are you talking? What girl stuff?
Like
It's the girls' stuff.
Oh.
our daughter's stuff.
I thought we was gonna find some poster board. Tell YouTube your story.
Backpacks. I mean, I was watching this guy at a yard sale or a flea market buying. He checked out every bit of the cast iron. There was one brand there that they want $2,500 for a skillet.
Dang, what brand was it? I'll check. Was it Pioneer Woman?
Lodge.
I forget what it was. Some of the old stuff. It was really old.
There's one up there that was Mammoth. I think it's that big one. It might be that little
All
one.
that stuff, man. Don't ever get rid of it.
Our kids will sell it for $5 at a yard
Cast
sale.
iron
Estate sale.
It's good stuff.
Okay.
If you'll tell me what needs to go, I'll start taking it.
Refrigerator. Somebody will buy the dishwasher. So you got a price too high.
It's brand new.
No, you're the one jacks everything sky high. I say $10. I told you nobody's gonna pay that for it when you can go buy it for $300 new or $3 something. I would put $100 on it. I mean, somebody will take it for $100 and it's out of our way and we have $100.
So, baths need to go out.
Is it cold as it sounds?
No.
It's 60-some degrees.
Okay.
I guess really, we left the shed a mess, so.
Okay, let's go.
Make a room.
Found a retainer.
Oh, look at this.
Well, here's your official welcome back to part 2 of decluttering this garage and shed. So I was just going to tell you all Alden's little story about the girl stuff. If you all heard just a few minutes ago me ask him if he would tell you all. After I had Allison, I sent him to the store for girl things, and he has never done that, and he, I don't think, has since. But he came in and he had all this big, huge poster board, and I was like, well, like, does one of our kids have a school project or something? And he was like, no, I had to cover that stuff up in the buggy. Like, I can't just be going through Walmart with that in my buggy. I had to get some poster board and lay on top of it so nobody would see. I laughed so hard. I thought that was so funny. But Alden is very neat and tidy, so he's really good at organizing. Like, his things have the cord wrapped around itself like it looks brand new when he puts it back. Everything's labeled. He's just a really neat person, so I knew that he could help us out a lot as far as giving us ideas as far as storage and things like that, so I was grateful for his help. We aggravate each other. Heather and I do too. Don't take anything serious when we're going at each other, because I promise you, we are just kidding. If we were for real, I would not be putting it on here. But we do aggravate each other. We all yell and aggravate and things like that. And that's just what we do. We have fun. We just try to pass time and enjoy it as much as possible.
Tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of.
Let me hit you.
Hey, the bears, the bears! I'm reliving my childhood. Excuse you. She'll like those shoes. Put them in your mouth. You want me to pop a wheelie? I was getting it.
I want to do it like the seat side this way. So
Uh-oh.
porch, pop a wheelie right there. Yes. Okay, you'll have to, well, might as well lift it.
Don't like doing this. Here's somebody's retainer.
Save it, somebody might could use it.
I threw mine away because it wouldn't even fit in my mouth. My mouth got littler.
No way.
Now, if anybody breaks a knee, we got an answer. Because you always gotta have one of those on hand.
There's a stroller she'll play with, I guess.
Trash.
Trash?
Yeah, I've had that since Callie's a baby. Is this going in the trash? This box that's 12 pieces. Throw a shelf away.
What shelf? No. Leave it in the box, I'll get rid of it. Somebody will use it. If we, yeah.
I'll put it back in your car.
I need to see what it looks like first. Put it to the side.
It has to be put together, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
But I can look
You'll
at it.
never put that together.
I can look at it and tell if I need
Ain't
it.
nobody gonna buy
Shut up.
it with that box in that shape.
Dang.
Let's throw it away. Pay for the road. Take it to the road.
I've got some hooks I need to go through. What do you want to do with that?
I'll take it to the road with your shelf. How about that?
How about getting it out of my way so I can get my what I need? Like that.
So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do later this evening. Tonight. New Year's Eve party. Woohoo! Gosh. Ah, the other one! Oh, that's a fake one. That's at my generation. I mean, I guess you could still play with it though, right?
That wind's blowing the trash cans. Like,
Yeah, it's going. We're not on campus anymore, Dorothy. I'm going to the garage. Why? Because there's things out there I can bring out here. I just need to go through it. Is that not okay? I want those Christmas trees up in these rafter things. I think that'd make sense. Do you?
Should I keep your number on my phone? Should I keep it or let go? Keep your number on my phone. Why should I keep your number on my phone? Should I keep it or let go? Keep your number on my phone. Through the day, deep inside, faster than a puppy loose. Got no time for your vices. I'd rather be alone. You love me. And this isn't your party. Yeah, so long all the times that I miss. Sure you wanna feel sorry, but what does it mean? To a clown with no mask, to a filthy machine.
What is this? An autopsy table? What is this?
Sorry I lost you, and I know you don't like it. Yeah, so long all the times that you miss. Should I keep your number on my phone? Should I keep it or let go? Keep your number on my phone. Why should I keep your number on my phone? Should I keep it or let go? Keep your number on my phone. Tonight I get back my feel. Adios to all you.
Ah! Another one! It's not a real one. You can tell. That hurt. Oh, that's cute. Oh, you'll never guess what I found. I knew I had one.
Okay, I work for sure could do some stuff.
No.
Especially that.
I accused him of throwing it away.
Probably needs to be washed. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, just take this deal. Go back
$100 baby dolls. And they look like they ain't never been took care of a day in their life. When I was a little girl, I loved baby dolls. That was just my thing. And all of my girls have been the same way too. I would say out of all of my kids, Reagan and Allison were the biggest on playing with dolls, but they all loved dolls. They loved American Girl dolls especially. So for Christmas or birthdays, we would get American Girl dolls or take them to the American Girl store. Our closest one, I think, is in Nashville. That's the one we always went to anyway, or Franklin, I guess, Tennessee. I wanted to save the dolls. I didn't save clothes or a lot of the accessories. Like they had the camper and they had all kinds of things like the wheelchair, the cast. They had a little scooter, paddle boards. I mean, they had all kinds of things, and I didn't save all of that, and I wish I would have, but I did save the actual dolls. So Lexi and Lakely were in the house, and I carried all those dolls in there. So Kennedy, Lexi, and Allison were brushing their hair, like spraying it with fabric softener, brushing it out, detangling it, making it look new again, cleaning those dolls up for Lakely, and Lakely was having so much fun with all those babies. Allison kind of got into the reborn baby dolls, the more realistic looking ones, when she was little. So I did save a couple of those too, as you've seen. But the hair on the reborn dolls are awful. We're just going to have to buy some toboggans or something to cover that mess up. But I am glad I saved those American Girl dolls. I remember when I was going through those and I put those in the shed 2 years ago. I said maybe one day I can have a granddaughter and pass them down. And one of you guys commented that not long ago and reminded me that I had said that in that video. So thank you so much. And it is so bittersweet to get to give her some of the things that my kids got to play with when they were little. But we had several of these little roll-in carts with drawers, and they were just basically kid junk drawers. It was old sketchbooks and markers, broken pencils, all that stuff that I have no idea why it was even in here, why I hadn't done this sooner. I think a lot of times if it's to the side and out of my way, I don't have to deal with it. And, today I dealt with it. So there you go. I did have several bags of trash, and I wish I would have piled it all up so you guys could have seen just the trash that we threw away. But as soon as I would bag a couple of bags up, Heather was loading it up, taking it to the dump. So I am grateful for that. We kept a consistent flow of donate, sell, keeping it, everything. We have sold several things, and we have donated several things. So Heather was dropping off, meeting people, taking things and throwing them away, different things. And Alden was kind of the muscles, making shelves, putting things up on shelves, all that stuff. And I was basically saying what to keep or donate, whatever. We worked as a team and we got it, I would say, 80% done. There's still so much more we can do in the garage and need to do. This is just what we've got done so far. We're gonna have Lakely in just a little bit. Hunter is sick. I thought it was just like a man cold, but I think he's like got the flu or something. So she's taking him to the doctor. So we're gonna keep Lakely, and Heather is on her way home with some paint. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do inside, and that'll probably be in the next video. But It's a work in progress around here. Kennedy brought some food home, but we've got a lot cleared out. I know it doesn't probably look like it to you guys, but we have. But I'm gonna run inside and start on this kitchen, eat a bite, wait on Lakely, and then do what I can. There's, you know, everybody's off work today, so everybody's here to play with her. So we can all just kind of, you know, take turns being inside with her. And it is really cold out here today. It is 39 degrees, so I'm freezing to death. But I do need to get the Christmas decorations off the front of the house, like all those lights and the little bulb things and our blow up thing, basset hound. But I have a tub for that, so I'm gonna try to get that done. And we've got to get the rest of this cleared out, and then the shed's looking good. Got all the tubs stacked on one side because he's still gonna finish a piece of the floor, and then I may leave them. All my Christmas stuff is shoved back in the very back, and Christmas it's a year away, so I shouldn't need any of that for another year. Anyway, just doing what we can do.
Boy, it's been a while since we talked, and my head's getting nervous. I can't handle this on and off. I can't, no. I just gotta know where you are if I want to remain sane. But you're ghosting every text and call. Oh no, you could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy.
I know these little leggings are thin and cold too. Two of our chairs are in the pool. Arrgh. Okay, if you'll give me the stick. Ah!
What are you knocking over?
I knocked a lot off.
That's what I do. I'd walk over there and fall in. They were $15. We can buy 2 new ones. It's snowing.
Here's one. Okay, the pipe's loose.
Where am I taking off? There's this.
It's supposed to get really cold here this coming week, so we needed to get that pump off. That way the water inside it wouldn't freeze and ruin that. But I did take the chairs and the rug and all the little things and put those away. That way they wouldn't blow back in the pool. And then Reagan was here on this day. She had got her hair done, so I'll show you guys that in just a few minutes. But thank you guys so much for watching. I have so much more to do. I've got to take Christmas down outside. Still need to declutter and organize and all those things. So stick around. I think I'm going to paint a little bit today. So I'm going to be showing you guys what we're planning on doing inside the house. That's going to be fun. But anyway, I love you. Jesus loves you. And I will see you guys soon.
Darkness, a fire burning in